Hello friend, this question is from the test series number 5. Subject name is electronic device and circuit. Topic name is semiconductor theory. It's a 1 marks problem. Question says that the resistivity of an intrinsic sample of silicon at a normal room temperature of 300 Kelvin. Okay, room temperature is 300 Kelvin. So we need to at 300 Kelvin we need to find out the resistivity of the material. And it has been given to you that the mobility of the electron is 1350 centimeter square volt second. Whole mobility is 480 centimeter square volt second, and the intrinsic density in silicon with the same temperature 300 Kelvin is 1.52 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter cube per volume. So friends, we know the formula. We know that conductivity of a semiconductor is defined as Q times Ni into mu P plus mu N. Right? So I can simply calculate the conductivity because the charge of the electron, I know that it is standard 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Intrinsic concentration is given to you. Okay, intrinsic density of silicon is given to you, that is 1.52 into 10 to the power 10. Mobility of hole is given to you, 480. Mobility of electron is given to you, 1350. Okay, just do the calculation and you will get the answer as 4.51 into 10 to the power minus 6 mho per centimeter. Okay, so and friends, we know one more thing, that conductivity and resistivity are reciprocal to each other, which means that resistivity of a material is basically nothing but a reciprocal of the conductivity. So 1 upon 4.451 into 10 to the power minus 6 will going to give me my resistivity is going to be 225,000 ohm centimeter. Ohm centimeter. So this is my resistivity. I can derive with R. So my answer of this question will be 225 and 000. Okay, or you can write it out as 22.5 kilo ohms centimeter. Right, that will be the resistivity of my material. Thank you.